Hey guys, welcome back. The best thing after meat is shrimp.
That's so true. Those are some nice juicy sides.
Some good juicy shrimp.
Yes.
Lisa Sarjeant Gonzales back in the kitchen with me. Lisa, thank you so much for being a sport.
It's good. I've never cooked with you, so this is good.
This
we
is
live,
good. We
party.
we do all kind of things, and we never cook together.
Apart, so this is nice.
And this is all part of Mother's May here on A Cup of Joe. We're celebrating mothers. This is one of the mothers that we wanted to celebrate. So let's get to what we're doing, because I have shrimp on the fire.
All right.
And shrimp, as you know, doesn't take long to cook. So I really just want to quickly get the shrimp opaque in color. I don't want to overcook it because it has to go back into a sauce. So what are we doing this morning?
Yes, what's on the menu?
On the menu, it's a creamy shrimp and Patchoi sauce.
Oh, nice.
That we're going to plate over some pasta.
Very nice.
So it's a kind of a fancy dish that, you know, you can get a nice, simple, but, you know, nice.
But it looks nice and healthy.
Decadent
You
kind of dish. Yeah.
It's nice and healthy. You know, my mother always used to tell me, you must always have green in your plate.
Right.
So there you go. You have your pak choi.
So interestingly enough, pak choi is one of those things that I don't know if you liked pak choi as a child.
You know, I did.
Serious?
Yeah. We used to drink it as well. I still do.
I did not like pak choi as a child. Right. So this
It's how you cook it.
My mother could not get me to eat pak choi. No matter what she did, she could
child.
not. No. So I learned to like pak choi as I got older. Just adding a little more oil. This here, Lisa, is good flavor, as you would know, right?
Yes.
You're familiar in the kitchen, Lisa. You're not a slouch in the kitchen by any means.
I enjoy cooking.
You enjoy cooking. Hit me some onions.
All right. How much are we doing? Is it a lot of food? Are we using a lot of onions?
Let's go. So that's about a half cup. So go with
okay,
it.
So let's do it.
Yeah. They measure out for me, so they know exactly what they measure out.
I need one of the in my kitchen.
You need a culinary team. You need a culinary team. So we are creating a cream sauce basically with the really base of it as pak choi. So it's a creamy pak choi sauce. Normally when your parents did pak choi a long time, it would have been
no cream. Pure pak choi. Pure pak choi.
I couldn't handle that pak choi. When they do that pak choi with a little bit of rice and that pak choi didn't used to go down. It couldn't go down.
The nice thing is when you do it like this, I would imagine as it is a Mother's Day feature.
Yeah.
The children will quicker eat it.
Yes. So actually that when the recipe came to me, I said, I could appreciate pak choi a little because I don't even recognize I'm eating pak choi, you know? Yeah, pak choi was one of those things. So can I show you this? I like to show off with this. Ever since I got this, do you grate or cut up your garlic?
I cut it up.
You cut it up?
I cut it up. You have a nice little press there?
Because I don't like, I like easy in the kitchen. So I don't like to cut up.
I know, in 2 twos it's done, huh? Perfect sense. All right, they're going to get me a press. Because all now I'm still chopping.
You still chopping garlic? You still chopping garlic?
My hands smell of garlic.
Garlic for the week. Your hands smell of garlic for the week.
So true.
So, garlic and onions, very simple. As I said, you make sure that the flavor, you smell. Onions is something else, you know, when you put onions in some oil on a fire.
Yeah.
I just love the smell of
everything.
onions.
And garlic.
And the garlic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Smells great.
Yeah. So there. Nice. So this now, Lisa, can you help me with the pak choi?
Pak choi?
So we're adding the pak choi.
Okay. Can I use this?
Yeah, you can. Straight in there.
I get it all over the place. Oh, I'm a sloppy cook.
Yeah, no, so yes. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. So this is kind of what they like to say, you know, boil long like bhaji, because you know this will sort it down and simmer down. But it's
it smells so good.
Yeah. What's your go-to dish in the kitchen though? You reach home, you paint all these things whole day, you're tired.
Yeah. First thing it is, during the week you try to make it as easy as possible.
Right.
You know, delicious but easy. That's why I like this meal. Because it seems like it's pretty quick.
Pretty quick.
You know, and it's healthy.
Yeah.
Balanced.
Do you eat healthy?
Yes,
I try to. You try to?
I try to. I mean, you like to make sure the food tastes good. So you might put in I like a little coconut milk sometimes and so on, depending on what I cook in.
You hold back on the salt, or you one of those that hold back on the salt?
I'm trying to go a little lighter on salt.
But
I'm heavy on the on the garlic and the onion and the things that children like to pick out of food.
Yeah.
So that's another good reason for doing the garlic like that too.
Yeah.
Mask.
They don't see it.
Yeah,
They don't
they
see
just
it.
eat it.
They don't see it. They don't see it. Right. So boil long like bhaji. The Patchoi boil now. I can add my tomatoes now
All right.
and get everything in there.
I think this is dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna go home and cook this.
This is
tonight.
really,
It's
and
really-
it's simple. And when you see it come together, it's so decadent that you would not believe. And that's because of that cream sauce there. But
Okay.
before that cream sauce, that glass of wine that I poured there,
Oh, shucks, it wasn't for
it's
me.
not for you. Not
There
yet.
you go.
Not yet at least.
I'm just teasing.
But we're putting it in here.
How much?
Full glass.
Really?
Full glass.
Okay.
Full glass. That's how we roll.
You know, Joelle, I find that cooking with wine is something that you kind of have to understand.
Right.
What you're doing, like sometimes people don't know if to use a red wine or a white wine.
Right.
You know.
So I keep it simple in my mind. I'm a scientific cook. You see this here?
Yes.
I have to follow a recipe.
Okay.
Yeah, see, I know when you cook and you probably just throw in a little bit
Yeah,
of this and
I
that.
don't measure at all.
Yeah, no. So that's not how I roll. I
Okay.
follow. So because science is quickly in my mind is the how.
Right.
So I say white wine for shrimp, chicken, white meat, and dark
Right. Beef,
beef,
and so on.
pork,
red wine.
lamb. I would use red wine.
Right.
I don't
Okay.
complicate it.
Okay.
I try not to complicate things when it comes to the kitchen because if it gets complicated, then I get confused.
Right.
And I don't like to get confused in the kitchen because everything comes out bad.
That's so true. You can taste the difference. Huh?
So, but important with cooking with wine, though, Lisa, is allowing this to cook off a little bit. So you allow
Okay.
the wine to cook off. You just spend a couple minutes just allowing the wine. You don't want to taste the wine. You just want to get that nice aromatic flavor of the wine, but you don't want to taste the wine in the food kind of thing. So you allow it to cook off. And this is
That
sorting
looks
down nicely.
delicious as it is. That's nice.
You have a big girl now.
Yeah,
how old
she's
is Maya?
16, and Maya's 16. She helps me out in the kitchen in between when she can. She likes doing desserts and breakfast.
Serious.
Yeah,
So she's not one of those girls that, Mommy, what did you cook today?
That too. That too. But you know, once she has time, because of course she's doing CXC and all of those other things. So once she has
Right.
time, she spends time in the kitchen with me.
She's a bishop's girl?
Bishop's
She's
girl,
a bishop's girl.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, very proud bishop's girl.
Right, very well, very
Yeah,
well.
but I mean, I learned cooking in the kitchen with my mother.
Yeah.
So I just think it's just what you translate,
Yeah, you
to
translate.
the next generation,
Yeah.
you know?
So you have a big
16-year-old
teenage on your hand.
girl. She's lovely. She really is lovely. She's fun. She's very focused.
Yeah.
You know, we have a good relationship.
Good, yeah.
You know, we line together.
Cool.
And that's
But it is
nice.
challenging to have a teenager in these times.
In
It's-
these
it's not
times.
it's not like when we were teenagers.
Yeah, and that's why I said she's focused. She's pretty easy where that's concerned. She's
Yeah.
not really swayed by anything, you know,
Yeah.
influenced by anything other than what she wants. She's very strong. You know, any other bishop's girls listening will say it's because she's a bishop's,
bishop's
girl.
girl.
My mother's also a bishop's girl.
Serious?
I'm not. I went to St. Francois.
Right.
But she's very focused, and
Yeah.
I actually admire that about her. That she's very strong within who she's in, and comfortable with who she is, and yeah.
Let's add the cream.
Okay, so this is a
This
little
is
different
heavy
than what I do.
cream.
So what is it?
And a little bit of half and half. So,
Okay.
so we mix it. It's about a cup and a half, and you're adding all in.
All.
You're adding all. I'll tell you.
You tell me when?
Yeah, let's do it now. Let's do it now.
Okay.
So the wine would have cooked off, guys, and then you're adding the heavy cream in now.
Just pour it, or just slowly?
Pour slowly. Let me just get the texture.
Ooh, this looks good.
Yeah. Whole families. And then you get everything mixed in nicely.
This looks delicious.
What you want here, pour me a little more. You want to cook this down for about 2 to 3 minutes until the cream gets thick. So you know sometimes you can do a roux where you probably
Right.
do a cream sauce, some flour,
Right.
some milk, that kind of thing.
That's what I would normally do.
Yeah, but what if you use good heavy cream and you put it on the fire, it thickens up nicely
Okay.
over some heat. And this is what will happen. You just keep stirring this, and you would see this. It's already thick, as you recognize how thick it is.
Right.
This will thicken up even more. And as you just stir it, all we're doing to this is almost complete now. I'll probably just want to take a little taste,
That's when you know you're a real cook.
and I just want a little more salt. But salt and pepper. I kind of just gauge salt and pepper now. But everything else I need to know a half a cup of onions, 2 to 3 garlic. Yeah, I don't make joke with those. I don't make joke with
This looks good.
Yeah, you leave this on the fire. The last thing we're doing is pouring the shrimp back in here.
Okay, that's why you didn't you made sure it wasn't overcooked.
It wasn't overcooked. So you see, if you look at the shrimp, it's just opaque. It probably can do it another minute or 2 of cooking, which the heat in here. So from the time this is ready, you pour it back in here. We are serving this over some pasta, but we're also doing a little surf and turf. You see that there?
Yes.
Because I'm doing Mother's May, I didn't just want to give you. I wanted to take it up a notch.
Special.
Yeah, a little special.
Oh,
So I'm going to slice that chicken over the pasta.
Very nice.
And then the shrimp and creamy Patchoi sauce will plate over the chicken and the pasta.
Sounds good. Now this is simmering a little bit, so you're allowing it to bubble a bit.
As it simmers, if you can feel it. You can feel the thickness coming in. You can feel the thickness coming in.
Yes. I actually like this idea of the full cream.
Yeah.
You know? Oh,
You're feeling the thickness coming in.
You know, the thing is, if you're vegan, there you go.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah,
there you go. There you go.
Good.
This is stir because you see this? I hope we're picking this up. This is good flavor. Yeah, you don't want to waste that. So you get all of that in there. Get the shrimp in there. Oh my goodness gracious.
This is nice.
That's a heavenly sauce, trust me. Guys, try the recipe on trinicooks.com. It's a creamy shrimp and a pak choy sauce. We will be plating this up over some pasta and that pan-seared chicken for our featured mother this morning, my good friend Lisa Sarjeant Gonzales.
Can't wait to taste it.
Yeah. We're heading to the tasting table right after this.